Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. I just hope you all will be doing good and must be having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to bring those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. Today, I am here with another great project. We will be talking about BNB Pay in today's video. BNB Pay is a project that aims to become the most widely accepted crypto for commerce. It also aims to replace legacy payment systems such as PayPal, Visa, etc., who takes large fees for processing payments online and offline in cafes, restaurants, and shops. So this is a project that is built on BSC and using ERC-1363 tech. BPay can do it all in seconds. Anonymous, decentralized, and cost just pennies, whether it's $5K or 500K worth of transactions. So let's move to our site. Let's know more about the project. But before we proceed, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Alright, so this is our project for today, BNB Pay. BNB Pay will be here to connect the world. You know, BSC is full of meme coins with no utility. So BNB Pay is positioned differently. What you will get in this is a crypto wallet that will be available for both iOS and Android app and will revolutionize crypto payments for commerce. So just forget PayPal and Visa who charge merchant 2 to 4% per transaction. We can do it instant borderless commerce payment for only pennies. And then point of sale system for brick and mortar shops, cafes, restaurant merchants will be able to collect funds instantly instead of having to wait for end day settlements. BNB Pay ecosystem will allow you to stake and earn, and if you spend your coins, you will also earn rewards. BNB Pay incorporate all BSC tokens, so you can simply stake your mini Dodge, pay with SafeMoon, and earn rewards in BNB Pay. And from here you can see the current price, market cap, 24-hour volume, and then here you can see that they have already reached 51K plus holders, and now we have the audit report. They have been audited by Decrate, so you can check that. You have a link to check audit report. Then you can find Nomics and WooCommerce as well. You can access websites and you can check the live chart and recent transactions from Nomics here. So here you will find BNB Pay on Nomics as well. They're also listed on CMC, CG, and Bitmart, etc. So let's move towards website. Okay, so what BNB Pay do is we provide a decentralized, private, and instant payment that costs just pennies. BNB Pay Wallet incorporates ERC-1363 EIP that allows customers to spend crypto at e-commerce stores and local cafe or restaurant, all for only pennies in fees. Then decentralized payment, BNB Pay offers decentralized payment, which eliminates the need for independent third parties such as trustees, processors, clearinghouses, exchanges, and settlements organizations who function to verify and validate information. And then protects the identity. And then we have fixed transfer fees, whether your transaction is of $5 or 500,000K worth. Then instant payments you have. So now let's talk about BNB Pay ecosystem. First of all, we have BNB Pay wallet. What you can do with BNB Pay wallet is you can make and track payments, take and earn BPay token, support iOS plus Android. Then BNB Pay e-commerce. E-commerce plugin to enable online payments for Shopify and major e-commerce platforms. Then BNB Pay point of sales POS terminal. Crypto POS terminal for brick and mortar merchants. And now BNB Pay reward system. Reward system to reward users as they spend their BPay and other BSC tokens. So you will get BNB Pay wallet. BNB Pay wallet incorporates ERC-1363 IP that allows customers to spend crypto at e-commerce stores and local cafe or restaurants. So the app is still in development, but soon they will launch. It is in final testing mode, and then you will be able to have the app on App Store and from Google Store as well. So here you have more features for BNB Pay. Mobile Quick Pay. Complete your payment using crypto at cafe, restaurants, and retail stores. And then make e-commerce payments, skip online forms, and complete online checkout process in just a few taps. Staking tokens earn passive income by staking your tokens to earn fixed interest or earn farming rewards in BPay. Then you can earn BPay tokens, pay using wallet and earn BPay tokens. Making payments has never been more rewarding. And track your crypto expenses. Transaction history helps you to track your crypto income and expenses. So here we have list of merchants that are on board and many more merchants are still to be announced. They're working with many more merchants. Soon they will announce this on website as well. So pay with your crypto tokens in the following merchants when our payment is officially launched. They have been partnered with Keysong Group, Singapore, then Vemos Rostre, and then Bun and Cork, Carver Imaja Motor, and many more partnerships are yet to be announced. So here you have BPay token tokenomics, like 60% is launch supply, then they have already burned 15% of the supply. For payment rewards, they have reserved 10%, for team and development, they have 10%, and for marketing, they have 5%. BNB Pay tokenomics are designed with early investors in mind. The 10% transaction tax rewards all existing holders and discourage MEV front-running bots from siphoning value from BPay investors. Then the 5% of transaction fees are distributed to BPay holders and get reward just by holding. That is auto farming, and then marketing and dev tax. 3% of transaction fees will be distributed to dev and marketing wallet to further improve BNB Pay product. Then auto BPay buyback. 2% of transaction fees is used to auto buyback BPay in order to reduce the supply and increase the BPay's value. Here you can find the roadmap, the website and social media release, then audit is completed. You have a link to check the audit report, then CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap. As I already said that they have been listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well. Then now they will launch the staking platform, exchange listing, partnership announcement, then the wallet, BNB wallet to be launched yet, and BNB Pay wallet payment reward, then onboard BSC tokens into our ecosystem, BNB Pay e-commerce plugin, and BNB Pay POS terminal rollout. And now the most important thing we look for any project is the team. So the team is docs. You can find all the information of the team from the website. You have everything mentioned as the founders, CEO, etc. This is a great thing and this shows the transparency of the project. And here you have a tutorial. So if you don't know how to buy BNB Pay, so you can go through this tutorial. You have tutorial to buy from MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Just check out this tutorial and you know how you can buy BNB Pay tokens. And here you have social channels of BNB Pay. You can follow them on their social channels. You can join their Telegram community. So if you have anything about project, if you have any query or if you want to ask anything, you can get in touch with the team on Telegram and you will be responded quickly. Plus, you can follow them on their social channels. So you will be stay updated about everything happening in the project. Here we have the Twitter account of BNB Pay. You can find recent tweets. Let's celebrate the 50K holders. We have checked that they have already reached 50K holders, and what they are doing for this is make sure to follow the terms and conditions to be eligible for the contest. They are having a giveaway and they are doing a giveaway contest. At 50K holders, we will give away first prize 10K BUSD and second prize 5 brand new iPhone 13. That is great. And to celebrate 50K holders, we will be drawing one lucky winner a day for 6 days. Day 3 to 7, one iPhone 13 every day. And day 8 grand prize of 10K BUSD. To be eligible, you must buy and hold at least 40,000 BPA tokens from now until time of the draws. And then you have to comment and retweet with the wallet address you used to buy the BPA token and add the hashtags BNBPay50K and BNBPay giveaway. And if winning wallet is not eligible, we will continue the draw until next winner is found. So you can even participate in this giveaway and then you can find recent tweets from the Twitter. So it's better to follow them on social channels, like if they do any type of giveaway, if they start any type of giveaway or contest, so you will be able to participate. Here you have the Instagram account of BNB Pay, so you can follow them on Instagram as well. Alright, so this is the dashboard of BNB Pay. You can connect your wallet and then you will be able to have all of your transaction mentioned here. Total BPay holding, total BPay and transaction tax is 10%. And here we can also see that they have already reached 51,000 plus holders. And this is a page of merchant BNB Pay. Accept in-store cryptocurrency payments with our merchant-friendly 0.5 MDR. Cut down on payment fees, maximize your business profits, maximize your acceptance rates, and tap into the exponentially growing $2 trillion cryptocurrency economy. So here you can find the merchants that are on board. We also have checked on the website. Famous Coffee Roastery, Bun and Cork, Frenwick Smiles, then Carver Imaja Motors, San Dental, and Lovia Malaysia, Keysong Food Corporation, and many more merchants are yet to be announced. Alright, so this was our project for today, BNB Pay, and BNB Pay is a project that will revolutionize the cryptocurrency payment for e-commerce. And if we talk about the team, so the team consists of 15 members that includes 10 plus developers, and they have already reached 50k plus holders. Soon they will launch the mobile app, merchant app, and staking platform as well. The team is docs and transparent. Moreover, you can check out the project by yourself. You will get all the links in my description. I hope you enjoyed the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.